All right, seventh grade, here we go. This is for week of October 12th through October 16th. So same stuff here, Google Classroom, the monthly agenda, Aries, student portal, check your grades, and extra resources. But first, I wanted to go through our conference week schedule, right? So the schedule is changing. Next week will be like the new normal, which is changed, right? And then next week is kind of weird because, or this week is kind of weird because of conference week, right? So schedule and then the new normal of the schedule, and just know that things are changing because we're trying to figure out what works. Okay. So a couple changes. The first thing is that RTI time is now down in the afternoon. Okay. It's going to be Tuesday, Thursdays, but this week it's only going to be on Tuesday because we have conferences. Okay. So that is your first change at 2 o'clock. Hopefully you have 3 teachers reminding you to check your RTI time. I sent everybody a calendar invite on how to check, right? This does not mean you have RTI time. This just means that you need to check to see if you have RTI time. Okay. Advisory is no longer Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It is on Wednesdays from 10 to 10:45. So we're starting the same time, every single day, unless you have a zero period. Okay. So we're changing that, just kind of getting it all together, giving our students more time to be able to talk, and then also not rushing to our third or our sixth period. So that is the second change. So first change, RTI time moved down to PM. And then second change, advisory goes to the 10 to 10:45 slot on Wednesdays. Okay, don't forget to still do your asynchronous activities on Thursday. So here's where the weird part comes in because of conferences. We don't have any face-to-face time, right? So you will not see me. You will only see your advisory teacher from 10 to 10:45 because we have to have live instruction every single day, right? And then conferences on Friday because that has always been scheduled. And then conferences is only if you've received that invitation or your grown-up has received that invitation through email or through phone. Okay, let's go through it. So monthly agenda, if I go into monthly agenda and I go into announcements, these are the same announcements as before. Please sign up for office hours here. This is the new schedule. And then next week, and I will upload and explain next week's schedules as well. But I just wanted to do it one at a time. Schedules are on our Kenyon website and all that good stuff. This month's birthdays, Eliza Garrett, happy birthday. Going back to this week. So here we go. I need to update that week, the actual week. It will be updated by the time you see this. But our asynchronous activities is, go back to this month. It should be this one, right? Going down to the next one. So closure problems is closure 1-142, 1-144, 1-145, and 1-146. In your textbook, it is at the end of chapter 1. In your ebook, it is at the end of chapter 1. So if I go into my online textbook and I go into chapter 1 from this toolbar, so click on this menu button, go into chapter 1, and then at the end it says closure. If I click on that, it will take me to our like end of the chapter review problems, right? So scroll down, or it should just be in order, and it starts with 141-142 right here. So do the problems that were assigned, take a picture of it, upload it on Google Classroom, mark it as done, all that good stuff. Okay, here's the thing. I've been getting a lot of photos that are very blurry. So if you do that, I will just send it right back to you. Okay, and then it's going to be this whole like, you send me a blurry video, I return it back to you. You send me another blurry video, I send it back to you. Please try and get a clear video. Okay, Wednesday is our weekly check-in. Same thing every single time, different question of the day though. We have 2 Edpuzzle videos, so make sure that you save some time for this. This one I think is like 5 minutes. This one is a little bit longer, 15 minutes, but it's review, right? So you should just be able to review, relax, and do it at the same time. Thursday, Friday, we have our asynchronous check-in. It is a Google form that you just need to fill out. And then Desmos, floats, and anchors is an activity that you'll be working on as well. And then remember on Thursday, you have advisory at 10 a.m., but no classes. Okay, that is it for this week. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this week instead, and you should just be looking at this one. And that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please email me or come to office hours, and have a good week.